Snoozetern, and today I'm going to be trying the Tulo medium mattress. It's the #1 selling Tulo mattress, so I've heard a lot of great things about it and I'm really excited to try it. To start off, the Tulo is a bed in the box, meaning it's a lot easier and more convenient to use and ship and set up. So I would really recommend this for anyone who lives in an urban city or is a college student. It's becoming really popular nowadays because it's quick and easy and ready to go, delivered straight to your door. Since it is memory foam, it has low motion transfer, so I would really recommend this for couples or anyone who has a sleeping partner. What's really cool about the Tulo is that it's versatile, and what I mean by that is all you really need is a flat surface. So if you have an adjustable base, a box spring, or a floor even, it would work. What I really loved about the Tulo medium mattress is that it's a great balance. It's soft enough for side sleepers, but firm enough for back sleepers. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned to watch me live my best news life. Bye!